Hello students, today we discuss the very important topic in the chapter straight line, that is the slope of the line. Yeah, slope of the line. You know that the concept of the slope of line, you have already learned the concept of the slope of line in the class 10. Okay, here now we see the definition of the slope of line and their properties. Okay, here slope of the line, it is a tangent of the angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis. Okay, it is a tangent of angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis. Okay, here the angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis, it is called an inclination. Okay, here see carefully, it is, suppose it is x-axis and it is y-axis. Now it is a line. Okay, this line makes angle with x-axis. There are the four angles here. Okay, two angles in the negative direction and two angles in the positive direction. Slope of the line, it is a tangent of the angle made by the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, here the angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise sense, it is called an inclination. And slope of a line, it is a tangent of the inclination of the line. Inclination means the angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, here there are two angles made by the line in the positive direction. These are the two angles. Okay, these two angles in the negative direction. Here two angles in the positive direction, but it is an anti-clockwise direction and it is clockwise direction. Okay, here it is a clockwise direction and it is anti-clockwise direction. Then it is a clockwise direction, it is called an inclination. Okay, it is inclination. And anti-clockwise direction, okay, it is a negative angle. Okay, here the inclination of the angle with positive direction of x-axis, it is a theta, and here it is suppose theta and it is suppose phi. It is a minus phi. We denote it is minus phi. The measure of angle, it is a phi, but it denote it is a minus phi. Okay, we see later. Then now here it is an inclination of the line. Okay, what is the inclination of the line? Inclination, it is a angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. It is anti-clockwise sense. Okay, here anti-clockwise, it is called an inclination. Okay, here we say here it is an angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis. We say this, and it is angle in the negative direction of x-axis. Okay, here now the slope of line is a tangent of this angle. Slope of the line, it is a tangent of this angle. This angle means it is an inclination. Slope of the line, it is a tangent of angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis. Then the tangent of this theta, that is, it is a tan theta, and tan theta, it is a slope of line, and slope, it is denoted by the m. Okay, then it is a straight line. Straight line intersect x-axis here. Now here in the positive direction we say this line. Okay, then it is a two angle. It is a negative direction of negative x-axis and it is a positive x-axis. Okay, then we find the slope of line by using this angle, and it is the inclination of this line. Okay, theta is the inclination of this line. Inclination means the angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. Okay, it is an anti-clockwise sense and it is clockwise sense. We take this angle as a negative sign. Okay, here now slope of the line, it is a angle, tangent of the angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis. It is a definition of the slope. Okay, here slope we can also find, it is other definition of the slope. Slope of line passing through 2 points. Slope of the line, it is a passing through 2 points, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Here now we can take any 2 point. Okay, line या साइडची कोणती घ्या, it is x axis. Okay, it is a line and it is y axis. Okay, line कोणती घ्या, या साइड here, या साइडला घ्या कोणती घ्या. Okay, now it is a any line, okay, in the plane. Now take any 2 points on this. Take any 2 points. Okay. Suppose it is x1 comma y1 and it is x2 comma y2. Then slope of the line it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, it is the slope of the line. Okay, here these are the two methods to find the slope of the lines. Okay, if it is a straight line, it is a single line. Okay, line is one, slope is a unique. Okay, but there are slope is a unique, but there are the two methods to find the slope of the line. One method by the inclination of the line, the tangent of the inclination, it is the slope of line, and other method is passing through 2 points, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are the any 2 points on the line. Then slope of the line, it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now slope of a line L is the same. To find any one method, it is angle method or the passing through point. Okay, here we see the relation between these two. Okay, it is a line, then it is an angle theta, that is the inclination theta. Therefore slope of the line, it is a tan theta, and slope of line passing through 2 points, it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, here we see it is this point is x1 comma y1. Okay, therefore we can write here, now it is x1 comma y1. Okay, that means this distance it is x1 and this distance it is a y1. Okay, here it is a x1 and it is y1. Now we see this point, we draw the perpendicular. Now this distance, it is a x2. Okay, and then here this total distance, it is a y2. Okay, it is a total distance. Now here we draw this. Okay, here it is a perpendicular, it is also perpendicular, therefore these two lines are parallel. Okay, see carefully. Here this dotted line and the x-axis are the parallel, therefore this angle is theta, therefore this angle is also theta. Okay, see carefully. Now this distance, it is a x1 and it is a x2. Okay, see carefully. Okay, this distance, it is a x1, okay, and it is a x2. Okay, this distance. Now it is a x1 and it is x2, therefore this is x2 minus x1, that means this distance it is, so here y1 take them here, this it is x2 minus x1. Okay, it is a length. Now it is a y1 and total distance it is y2, therefore this distance it is y2 minus y1. Now in the triangle we say the A, it is B and it is C. Okay, in triangle ABC, okay, here it is a right angle triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degree, therefore and angle A, it is a theta, therefore we can say the tan theta of tan value of this angle, it is opposite side upon the hypotenuse, opposite side upon adjacent side. Therefore we can write in triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to, it is opposite side upon adjacent side, and tan theta, it is a slope and it is also slope. Okay, when it's single line, okay, slope of the line, it is a unique, we can take any 2 point on the line, slope is remains same. Then here this line, okay, makes angle theta with positive direction of x-axis, therefore the tangent of this angle, it is a slope, and y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, it is a slope. Okay, म्हणजेच सिंगल लाईन, एकच लाईन असली तर त्याचे स्लोप तर सारखेच असणार, कारण स्लोप युनिक आहे. ओके, म्हणजे तुम्ही कोणत्याही या मेथडनं स्लोप काढा का या मेथडनं काढा, अँगल दिलेला असला अँगलनं स्लोप काढा, पॉईंट दिलेले असले पॉईंटनं स्लोप काढा, दोन्हीने स्लोप काय सारखाच आहे. ओके, tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, पॉईंट दिलेले असले तर हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा, देन अँगल दिलेला असला तर हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. ओके, इट इज अ स्लोप ऑफ द लाईन. ओके, स्लोप. ओके, आता स्लोपची मिनिंगच काय, तर एक तर चढ किंवा उतार. ओके, चढ किंवा उतार, आपण शक्यतो सपोज उतार घेऊ. ओके, कोणतंही एक घेतलं तरी चालते. म्हणजे या लाईनचा तुम्हाला उतार काढायचा आहे. हिअर ही लाईन या टाईपमध्ये उतार. ओके, हिअर वी कॅन सी हिअर दिस इज अ रिलेशन बिटवीन दिस टू. ओके, लाईन एकच असली तर स्लोप सारखेच असणार. कोणत्याही मेथडनं काढा, अँगलनं काढा किंवा पॉईंटनं काढा. ओके, नाव हिअर आता आपल्याला एखाद्या लाईनचा उतार काढायचा आहे. ओके, लाईन कोणती असो, हिअर दिस, ओके, और दिस L1, L2 and it is L3. ओके, या झाल्या 3 लाईन. इट इज एक्स ॲक्सिस, इट इज वाय ॲक्सिस. ओके, या लाईनने एक्स ॲक्सिसच्या पॉझिटिव्ह डायरेक्शन सोबत केलेला अँगल हा आहे θ1. ओके, सपोज या लाईनने एक्स ॲक्सिस सोबत केलेला अँगल इट इज θ2 आणि हा अँगल इट इज θ3. ओके, 3 लाईनने हे 3 अँगल तयार केलेले. देन इन्क्लिनेशन ऑफ लाईन L1 इट इज अ θ1, inclination of line L2 it is a θ2 and inclination of line L3 it is a θ3. Therefore slope of L1 it is a tan θ1, slope of L2 it is a tan θ2, slope of L3 it is a tan θ3. Okay, now आता slope ची meaning काय, एक तर चढ किंवा उतार. जर तुम्हाला slope, ओके, स्लोपची मिनिंग मग तेच आपल्याला चढ किंवा उतार दोन्हीपैकी जे काय असेल आपण कोणतरी एकच कन्सिडर करा. ओके, आपण उतार कन्सिडर करू. एखाद्या लाईनचा उतार काढायचा म्हणजे स्लोप. ओके, माझा या लाईनचा स्लोप, ओके, या लाईनचा उतार. मग याच्यासाठी कन्सिडर काय केले ते एक्स ॲक्सिस. ओके, अलॉंग द एक्स ॲक्सिस. ओके, या लाईनचा उतार कोणत्या याच्यात काढणार आपण, अलॉंग द एक्स ॲक्सिस. तसंच या लाईनचा उतार इट इज अलॉंग एक्स ॲक्सिस, इट इज L3. ओके, देन आता उतार, ओके, चढ किंवा उतार या दोन्हीलाही उतार आहे. ओके, हे आणखीन थोडं वाढलं थोडा जास्त उतार होणार. आणखीन एक आपण अँगल थोडा वाढवला, हेच लाईन. ओके, हिअर या टाईपमध्ये घेतली उतार वाढणार, या टाईपमध्ये घेतली आणखीन उतार वाढणार, या टाईपमध्ये घेतली दॅट इज द वाय ॲक्सिस. मग वाय ॲक्सिसनं जर एक्स ॲक्सिस सोबत केलेला अँगल कोणता आहे, 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री. ओके, आणि tan 90 इट इज अ नॉट डिफाइनड. ओके, इनडिटर्मिनेट. म्हणजे वाय ॲक्सिसचा स्लोप सांगता येणार नाही. दॅट इज द स्लोप ऑफ वाय ॲक्सिस कॅन नॉट बी डिटर्माइंड. म्हणजे त्याला स्लोपच नाही. एक तर चढ किंवा उतार दोन्हीपैकी काहीच नाही, कारण हे परपेंडिक्युलर आहे. ओके, चढ किंवा उतार असण्यासाठी एकतर या टाईपमध्ये पाहिजे, लेस दॅन 90 और अबो 90. एक्झॅक्टली 90 म्हणले की त्याला स्लोप नसणारच. ते थोडीशी इकडं नाही तर इकडं दोन्हीपैकी एका साईडला झुकलेली पाहिजे आपल्याला उतार काढण्यासाठी. ओके, हिअर म्हणजे एकतर या साईडला असली तर ॲक्यूट अँगल टॅन पॉझिटिव्ह येईल. या साईडला असली अबो 90 इट इज अ निगेटिव्ह, अबो 90 अँड बिलो 180. ओके, हिअर ॲक्यूट अँगल असला तर पॉझिटिव्ह स्लोप येईल आणि 90 अँगल इन अ सेकंड क्वाड्रंट दॅट इज इन बिटवीन 90 अँड 180 देन tan θ इट इज अ निगेटिव्ह. ओके, पण exact perpendicular to the x-axis means angle between line and x-axis it is a 90 degree. Therefore slope cannot be determined. Okay, see carefully it is. Okay, here and the slope of two parallel lines. Here these two lines are parallel, therefore it is θ1, therefore it is also θ1. Then inclination of two parallel lines it is the same, therefore inclination same, therefore it is a slope same. That means the slope of two parallel lines it is the same. Okay, we can write the note. Okay, then if two lines are parallel then their inclination is same, therefore their slopes are equal. Okay, now here these are the two methods for finding the slope of the line. Here, okay, now we can write the third method. If the equation of line in a general form, equation of line in general form, that is general form of the line, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then its slope is minus a by b. It is the slope of line minus a by b if the equation of line in a general form. Okay, here slope of line when angle is given, that is inclination of the line. Slope of line when पॉइंट्स आर गिवन. ओके, एनी 2 पॉइंट्स ऑन लाईन. ओके, कोणतेही 2 पॉइंट घ्या, स्लोप सारखाच असणार. देन इट इज अ इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन. डायरेक्ट तुम्हाला जर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईनच दिलेली आहे, ax + by + c इक्वल टू 0. ओके, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन हे सुद्धा तुम्ही क्लास 10 मध्ये पाहिलेले, ग्राफ सुद्धा काढलेला आहे. ओके, हियर वी सी इट इज 2x + y + 5 is equal to 0. Okay, suppose it is a line 2x + y + 5 equal to 0, then its slope is m is equal to, it is a slope -2/1, that is -2, it is a slope of the line. -2, it is a slope of line. Okay, here क्लास 10 मध्ये तुम्ही याचा ग्राफ सुद्धा काढलाय. आपण एक ग्राफ काढून पाहू. Therefore see carefully, it is y is equal to -2x - 5. Y is equal to -2x - 5. Okay, therefore the points are when x equal to 0, when x equal to 0, y is equal to -5. When x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, it is -2. Suppose we take x is equal to -1. When x is equal to -1, it is a +2, and +2 - 5, it is -3. When x is equal to -2, -2 means here +4, +4, it is a -1, +4 - 5. When x is equal to -3, -3, it is a +6, therefore it is a +1. When x is equal to, suppose it is -4, x is equal to -4, then it is +8, +8 - 5, it is a 3. Here we take the 5 points on the line. Okay, we draw the line. It is 0, -5, -1. Okay, here. Okay, then we can draw the graph. It is x-axis, y-axis. Okay, it is a 0, -1, -2, -3, and it is -4. Okay, -1, -2, -3, and -4. On the y-axis it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, and it is 4. Okay, now first it is a 0, 5, 0, -5. Okay, 0, -5, it is a point 0, -5. Then -1, -3, it is -1, -3, this point. Okay, -1, -3. Okay, then it is -1, -3. Then -2, -1, it is -2, -1. Then -1, -3. So it is -1, -3, -2, -1, -3, 1. It is a -3, and it is 1. Okay, it is -3, 1 plus 1, and then last -4, 3. It is -4, and it is 3. Okay, it is -4, 3. Okay, see carefully. Okay, it is a line. Our line, it is 2x plus y plus 5 equal to 0, and we find the slope of line, it is a -2. Okay, by using this formula. Okay, now we can take any 2 point on the line. We can take any 2 point on the line. Okay, we can take these 2 points. Therefore -4, here we can write here. Okay, here we can take these 2 points. Okay, it is x1, y1, and it is x2, y2. Then slope of the line, it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And then it is y2 minus y1, it is y2, 3 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1, that is -4 minus -3. And then it is 2 upon -4 plus 3, it is a -1, and that is -2. Therefore slope of the line by using this formula. Okay, we can write direct slope -a by b, it is a -2, and then slope of this line by using the line passing through any 2 points. Okay, we can take any 2 points on the line, then slope it is a -2. We can take other 2 points. Okay, now we can take it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. x2 y2, here x1 and y1. Now it is x1 and it is x2. Therefore -4 minus -1. -4, sorry, it is y2 minus y1. y2 it is a 3. 3 minus -3. It is -3. Point -1 -3. x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Then we can write here -4 minus -1. -4 minus -1, and then calculate this. -3 it is 6, and upon -4 plus 1 it is a -3. Again it is -2. Okay? That is, we can take any 2 point on the line. Slope remains same. We can take any 2 point on this line. Okay? Slope is same. Therefore, finding the slope of line by using angle. Okay, that is the inclination. Here, the inclination of this line. We are not given the inclination, and we can take this line. Therefore, it is not exactly, that is 30, 45, 60. Okay, exactly येणार नाही, काहीतरी अँगल दुसरा येईल, कारण आपण लाईन ही घेतलेली. ओके, अँगल बिटवीन लाईन अँड एक्स ॲक्सिस हे सुद्धा काढता येते. दॅट इज tan इनवर्स ऑफ -2 येईल. ओके, म्हणजे एक्झॅक्ट अँगल येणार नाही. इट इज tan इनवर्स ऑफ -2, अँगल बिटवीन 90 to pi. ओके, pi by 2 to pi. Then we can take any 2 point out of this 5 point. Okay, on the line there are the infinite point. We can take any 2 point and find the slope of line by using this formula. We get the slope of line. म्हणजे लाईन वरचे कोणतेही 2 पॉइंट घ्या, त्यांना स्लोप काढा, ते झालं तुमचा स्लोप ऑफ द लाईन. ओके, मग डायरेक्ट स्लोप काढा. जनरल फॉर्म मध्ये जर इक्वेशन दिलेली असली तर -a/b इट इज द स्लोप ऑफ लाईन. हे झालं डायरेक्ट. लाईनवरचे 2 पॉईंट जर दिलेले असले, एनी 2 पॉईंट, टेक एनी 2 पॉईंट ऑन द लाईन, अँड देन जर इन्क्लिनेशन दिलेलं असलं तर डायरेक्टली टॅन थिटा. ओके, आता इथं स्लोप किती आहे? -2. देअरफॉर टॅन थिटा इज इक्वल टू -2. दॅट मीन्स थिटा इज इक्वल टू टॅन इनव्हर्स ऑफ -2. ओके, म्हणजेच टॅनची व्हॅल्यू मायनस आहे, निगेटिव्ह, आणि टॅन निगेटिव्ह कुठं असणार? इट इज π/2 टू पाय. 0 to π/2 याच्यात टॅन पॉझिटिव्ह, 0 to π/2 टॅन पॉझिटिव्ह, आणि π/2 टू पाय याच्यात टॅन असणार निगेटिव्ह. ओके, म्हणजेच या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये अँगल, इट इज दिस, वी सी दिस. ओके, नाउ हियर सी केअरफुली दिस 3 डेफिनेशन्स ऑफ द स्लोप ऑफ द